Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones. These are budget-friendly over-ear headphones that promise a lot, especially for their price point. We'll be covering everything from design to sound quality and all the features in between. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The JBuds Lux ANC come in 4 color options and feature a foldable design, which is great for portability. They're fairly lightweight at 235 grams, making them comfortable to carry around. The build quality is decent, though some users may find them a bit tight-fitting for longer listening sessions. Speaking of comfort, this is where opinions diverge. While some users report these headphones are comfortable, I found the fit to be a bit tight, leading to mild discomfort after extended wear. It seems to depend on individual head size and shape, so your mileage may vary here. Moving on to features, the JBuds Lux ANC pack quite a punch. They come with active noise cancellation, which works surprisingly well at blocking out ambient noise in standard mode. There's also an ambient mode, but unfortunately, it doesn't perform as well, affecting audio quality negatively. Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point connectivity allow seamless switching between devices, which is a definite plus. Battery life is where these headphones shine. With ANC off, they boast an impressive 70-hour battery life, dropping to 44 hours with ANC on. Charging is via USB-C, which is convenient and becoming a standard in most modern devices. Now, let's talk about what matters most: sound quality. The JBuds Lux ANC are unmistakably bass-heavy. If you're into bass, you'll likely enjoy the thumping beats these headphones deliver. However, this emphasis on bass comes at the expense of treble and mid-range clarity. High volumes can lead to some distortion, but at moderate levels, they perform decently well. There's also a dedicated JLab app that allows you to customize sound profiles with an equalizer. It offers presets like JLab Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost, along with the option to create a custom EQ setting. However, it lacks detailed battery percentage display, which can be a drawback. In terms of value, the JBuds Lux ANC offer competitive noise cancellation and a solid feature set for their price range. They're definitely geared towards bass enthusiasts who prioritize ANC performance and long battery life over audiophile-grade sound fidelity. To wrap it up, the JLab JBuds Lux ANC are a solid choice. If you're looking for affordable headphones with good noise cancellation and long-lasting battery life, they make compromises in sound balance and comfort, but they deliver where it counts for the price. I'd give the JLab JBuds Lux ANC a solid out of 5 for its impressive ANC performance, robust battery life, and overall value in the budget headphone category. That's it for today's review. If you've tried these headphones, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.